I'm so excited today. Some people will understand because 13 years ago, today makes it 13 years. It was a real drama, big drama before I had this my boy. You will understand. It's a busy day. I'm still dodging when I'm talking. I'm still talking, trying to just say some secret. We're doing a lot of things. We've done the breakfast already. We tried to make a family party just for us. We're doing a lot of different cooking, which we know he's going to like. You know, he's going to like. So, well, I'm going to begin in showing the chicken. I'm just trying to talk gently so that it won't be hearing what we say. We're making chicken. We got goat meat, chicken, turkey, beef in there for the fried rice and jollof rice. And also, I've got here tomatoes, blended tomatoes for the jollof rice, and I've got here as well drumstick and chicken wings. I'm going to make a very lovely spicy barbecue chicken sauce with that, and this as well. He loved this. He actually loved this. I'm going to be roasting it in the oven. He loved it. When you see the finishing, you're going to be really happy. You will love it. And I've got some stuff for fried rice as well. Fried rice is going to be making as well. Wow! I've got this for egg roll. And I've got some, what's here? Oh my god, all these are for the pepper soup. And I've got, this is goat meat. I'm going to be using it for iseo. Using this for iseo. What's in here? Yeah, we've got some fish here as well. And I've got some fruits. I'm going to be using the fruit to make some fruit salad. And we got cupcake. It was actually made by me and my sister. Girl. So thank you to them for me. They are a star. They haven't finished it all because it's still a bit warm. You see the finishing of the cake, and they are still there busy. They are busy. These girls are still very busy. We're going to do some decoration. They are doing the balloons for the decorations. You can see at the end of the wrapped it.
It's just your chest.
Yeah. Should I show you guys a secret present? Because it's still like, where's my present? This is my present. You said your present is coming on its way. Should I show you guys before I wrap the present? Or you guys need to see it before then? Alright. Give me one moment for me to show you guys. They are still busy in the kitchen. Busy, happy mommy for brother birthday. They're busy doing the egg roll. As you can see there, they're busy doing the egg roll. It looks so amazing. Oh, we can hear footsteps there. Are you sure this will be secret again? Put the egg roll in the oil.
Okay. How?
Yeah. Gently, can you? Yeah. Oh, you can see it bubbling. Wow. Bubbling. That's the jollof rice cooking. That's the iseo.
Ooh.
The iseo is cooking. I think iseo is cooking. And this is the meat. This is the meat. Oh my god, this is great. It's going to be amazing. Amazing. It's going to be really great today. I can't wait to see the finishing. I hope you guys can't wait to see the finishing. Don't make it clap. Don't make it. Everybody, I hope you guys are still there. It's me, Lisachrist Kitchen. It's all about my son today. We're still whispering. Don't know what is going on. We've locked him upstairs since morning. Oh, this is all we've been doing since it's been really hectic. And make his favorite roasted chicken. Got his very nice seasoning, which I use in seasoning that. And oh my god, what is this? Oh my goodness, this is assorted meat, fish, chicken, turkey, and goat meat as well. Look at that fruit. Oh my goodness, he can't wait to see this. He loved this. He loved it. Yeah, what we've got is here. Oh my days, I know all the men, they are swallowing their spit, they are salivating. That, oh my days, that is issue. I can't wait to try this. Is there any tiny one there I can put in my mouth? Oh my god. Oh, it tastes so nice. I've got some sweet for the kid, some crepes as well, and we got homemade cookies. Wow, fried rice. We can't wait to see this. I've got some very assorted barbecue ribs and drumstick as well. Very beautiful. Wow. This is the cake made by the sisters. I love you guys. I don't know how it's going to feel, but you know, men, they don't like surprises. Men don't like surprises. It might just go in. Oh my god. Oh, look at my egg roll made by the sisters as well. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. This is so wonderful. Jollof rice. Amazing jollof. I'm so happy. Amazing jollof rice. Look at it. So nice. There's one I love as well. We're nearly there. Wow. Because he loves pepper soup. I'm making pepper soup as well. That is so amazing. Things look nice. Now we need to call him down to come and cut his cake. Oh, make it happen. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Jay. Happy birthday to you.
Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
Happy birthday to AJ, our boy. Look at this. Look at you. This is my boy.
Alright, light that candle. Mommy, why do you put that candle? It sprays around.
Oh my god.
No wonder it was up for ages.
It's almost as tall as me. Oh, it's
Why
so...
sound like you're crying?
What's up?
Oh. You need to put it closer. Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear AJ. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you, AJ. May the good Lord bless you. Hip hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip hip. Hooray! Putting your song properly. What a wow!
I don't
Is this
like
why
it.
it was taking so long?
Yeah, look at the cookie. No,
Jeez, they be melting.
Hi, guys.
Can I told me that you're making rice? I thought it wasn't going to take this long. I think I slept for a bit as well.
Mommy, you're the one who... Can I blow one? Can I blow one?
No,
Now I need to give you
your present.
your present.
I'm not gonna spoil it.
Are you sure you haven't spoiled it?
I know what it is. It has a nice Open up your present. I have it. Open up your present. Open up your present. You don't open it. Don't open it. It's your favorite. It's why you've been wondering.
AirPods. I want it.
I want it.
Thank you, Bobby.
No.
Open it. Let our viewers see.
You have money as well.
Where's the charger? You got charger inside as well. You got AirPods. Yeah. Open the other one.
Very good.
Good boy. Love you. I know you know this one is coming, but you'll be expecting it. Just open it up. Open it up. Open it up. Double layer.
I think it's gonna be a headset.
Oh my God!
Finally.
Look at the back. You got everything it says. And then you know when you go downstairs, we have to hide everything when you come in. That's when we were about to wrap it, then you came downstairs.
I don't know if it's wireless. Is it wireless?
No problem. Tight. Look how big. Gee, let me see if it'll fit me. Let me see if it'll fit me.
How long have you not had a
It can
headset
actually
for?
Huh? For ages.
It fits me.
What will he say?
My
Thank
is
you.
small. AJ, mine is
That
small,
is
so it
all about
will reach
our
there.
boy for his birthday. Let's cheers. Cheers. Which one?
This one. I mean, even got gummy bears.
You guys see him?
It's so whoop.
Everybody.
I remember when the AJ. Do you remember when we always used to do this?
Non-alcoholic wine.
AJ, do you remember when we always used to do this?
Non-alcoholic wine.
I love when I do this. Everybody
Annabelle?
come to cheers. You want mine?
Have you taken your glass? Oh, sorry, put my hand in. Is that 30 pounds or 20?
20, I think. Maybe that. That's what maybe this was just 40 pounds for them.
for good health. All our viewers, we wish you guys the best. Long life and prosperity, and we know you wishing us long life and prosperity as well. Good health, sickness will not come near us. Promotion, more viewers.
And subscribe. Make sure you leave a like.
And subscribe and see more of this, okay?
And thanks for watching.
And thanks for watching. Okay? Thanks for watching. AJ, what do you need to say to your viewers?
Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.
Say it's all about your birthday.
It's all about my birthday. My mum surprised me on my birthday, and it was a really good surprise.
You got AirPods.